Welcome. This is the Compressor Guru with a bonus episode that we are putting out off of our normal every 2-week schedule because this is a timely machine right here. This is the first 5 horsepower we've sold of the Atlas Copco brand. Atlas Copco in the last few years purchased Quincy Compressors, which is a major manufacturer of air compressors, especially industrial machines. And they adopted the QT5, which is the Quincy compressor, for their small recip units. This is a Quincy pump labeled as an Atlas Copco, and it is several $100s cheaper than the Quincy QT5. This is going to a dairy farm, and it will be running a milking parlor. This is a 5 horsepower single phase 230 volt compressor. You've got yourself a ball door 5-horse industrial motor with grease zerks, which I like those because I don't really care for the motors that don't have the grease fittings. You've got your QT5 Quincy compressor, which have been out for quite a while and are basically a problem-free unit. Like any unit, they need valves every once in a while, and every once in a great while they need rebuilt. But it's a well-proven, solid machine. When you buy an Atlas Copco, it comes with the oil in it. A lot of machines don't. They sell you a startup kit, so you have to buy the oil to have the startup oil for the machine. The Atlas Copco comes with the oil in it. It comes with your mounted and wired definite purpose or magnetic starter, and all you have to do is put your ground to it and your 2 wires into your top of your starter, which most guys have their electricians do, and it's ready to go. You turn your breaker on or your knife switch and you are running. Just looking at everything here, it's all pre-wired. Your pressure switch is set at 175. Your stats on this is very important. This is a 5 horsepower. It's certified for your brake horsepower at 5.2. Your CFM delivery is 17.2 at 175 pound. Now, many times you'll be at Sears or big box stores. I don't know if Sears even is in business now. You'll be at big box stores and you'll see 6 horsepower compressor, and it'll say 9 CFM at 90 PSI. What they're doing is they're putting a big sticker on a little wee motor, and they're calling it a 6 horsepower, and what you're actually getting is about a 2.5. So it's very important to look at your performance and your pressure when you're buying your compressors. And this one's at 17.2 at 175. So that's a good performing 2-stage compressor. This has 2 different size pistons. That's why they call it 2-stage. We're going to be doing a episode on that in the future, and I'm going to talk about different compressors, screws, recips, single and 2-stage, and the differences in them. But this is a very nice machine, well put together with a quality pump, and we're going to move the camera, and I'm going to show you one of the neatest little features this comes with. And you'll see why I say it's a neat little feature. But all your stats are right here. Your certification tag to keep your boiler inspector happy is right there. Run your number 10 wire with a 40 amp breaker right into there, and you are wired up, ready to go. This is a quality machine. We're selling these at $22.60 FOB, Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania. And we might even be able to sharpen that pencil a little bit, depending on your location and the freight issues. We do deliver locally for free. This one I'll be taking off the truck tomorrow. Just put this on, and we thought we got to get some fill in this. But we do deliver locally for free.
Was that a price you just gave?
$22.60.
But you better say when we're making this video.
We are 2 days away from my wife and I's anniversary of our first date. This is August 13th, 2020. Now, I can't tell you what these are going to be priced in 2030, but today and for the foreseeable future, several months, there's no price increases expected, and we're at $22.60 plus tax, plus plus freight. Local freight, there is none. This is in stock at my shop here in Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania, and this isn't even going to be taxed because it's going to a dairy farmer, and dairy farmers in Pennsylvania don't pay sales tax on milking equipment, and technically this is milking equipment. So $22.60, nice machine, good warranty, proven technology with very nice features. We're going to move the camera, and I'm going to get off the truck, and I'm going to show you one really neat little feature on this, because I like this feature. This right here, outside on the leg of on the mounting leg, on the floor, where the floor meets the leg, where the rubber meets the road, baby. Out here on
That's your drain.
That's the drain.
Wow.
So you don't have to get down on your hands and knees and crawl underneath and work that pitcock and get it open. You walk by at the end of the day, and you walk by at the end of the day, and you open that too many times. I walk past the machine, and I'm talking to the customer, how often you drain in the tank? Oh, once a month when I feel like getting down on the floor and getting that drain open. There's going to be no excuse for this to be drained on a regular, daily, or twice a day basis.
Every day?
Yes, it should drain them every day.
Wow.
And that's what the paperwork with this will say too. There's no excuse for not draining this one. Now you can drain that by flicking that with your boot. Or you can drain that with drain that with your boot or your shoe or your flip-flop if you're wearing a flip-flop to the barn, which I wouldn't do because you're liable to step in poop.
There you go. So there's a reset button on there too.
Oh yeah, it's got a it is your thermal protection.
And then this is a little bit of a close-up of what he was talking about before.
You want to get a little closer?
Nope.
Okay.
I got it pretty good right there.
Incidentally, one other feature,
It is made in the USA.
yes, one other feature though on this particular machine, look at the size of that filter. A lot of filters on your 5 horsepowers are about 2 inches thick and the same diameter. So you got yourself an extra large filter on it as well.
A CR Professional Series.
Yep. And believe it or not, they have another package with an air-cooled aftercooler, an electric automatic tank drain, and a few other features. And we can order those in as well, but I do not stock that particular machine. Camera wife, if you'd like to take a look at what's in the crate, we'll do an episode on that next week when I go to deliver that one. I've got it on the truck and it's going to stay there. But that's a gas driven with a Honda power with a KT or a QT5 also.
Well, we should be waiting to really talk about that till the next time because...
Well, this is a teaser.
Oh,
So,
I see.
anyway, I'm excited about this particular machine.
Look, there's a drain on that one. Nope, that's where it turns on. Down there.
There's a drain in the
At
center of the tank.
bottom is the drain.
Yep. We're going to pull that one out.
That's the one where your hose
Yep.
goes.
Before I deliver that, I'm going to pull it out and uncrate it and restrap it, and then we'll talk about that one too.
Cool.
So this is the Compressor Guru, and this is a bonus episode, and we rarely do bonus episodes. This might be the first one ever. That may be a trivia question in 10 years, who knows. Anyway, this is our first bonus episode. I'm excited about this, and I'm actually kind of putting it out there as an advertisement, but I really am excited about moving this machine. It's a quality machine at a really great price, and we'll keep you updated. There's going to be more going out of here, but this is the very first one of this particular brand, and I'm excited to let you know about it. Have a great day. God bless.
I think Bud is so excited about this air compressor going to a dairy farm because one of the things they're going to do is they're going to use this air compressor to run the milking machines in the milking parlor with the cows. And some of the milk that's going to come from that milking parlor is going to be used in ice cream. And Bud really enjoys going to the ice cream parlor for ice cream, especially after we've been on a good ride. This is going to be a special air compressor. Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. Please hit like and subscribe and use the notify bell so you will know when the next new episode is released from The Compressor Guru. God bless you and have a great day.